Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through one video long back ago, that is human detection from video. Today's video is enhancement of previous video, what you have seen before. It is much more simpler than previous video. So let us go through the program in detail. We have added the libraries NumPy, CV to OpenCV. The first statement, hog is equal to CV to hog descriptor. It is used for robust feature descriptor widely used in computer vision and image processing from object detection and recognition task. Hog.set SVM. As we know, SVM support vector machine is for detection. It is used for image classification, then object classification. It is used for SVM. We have seen few videos on support vector machine. So hog.set SVM detector, it is used for divide the image into parts and then calculate gradients for each part. Third statement, open the video, then while loop to generate the frame, in the sense, then resize the frame, then this statement, humans, comma, underscore hog detect multiscale, it is used for detecting the human. Then for loop x comma y comma w comma h humans, it is used for drawing bounding box. Then cv2.im show display the output, and q for closing the all windows. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. We can see here the persons are detected. So that is the power of hog detector. We can detect the different persons from the video. I will try to resize these. Oh, it is close. Copy the image, current image, zoom. Yes, it is zooming. Then yes. So I successfully done with human detection from video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more and more creative videos on support vector machine, then DLIB, then MTCNN, if possible VGG phase 2, then FAIR library, deface library with facial emotion recognition with analysis, and many more videos on machine learning, interesting videos on machine learning. So for latest videos about creative videos of machine learning, please watch my channel on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.